Right, it's Thursday, January 22nd, just following on the SPY. I described how I bought a red to green move here, anticipating we'd work towards the highs of the day. We're grinding up there slowly. It's coming into about 2 hours of trading now. So as we got some of this follow through up here, we haven't really crossed the midpoint of the first bar. I'm going to scale out and set up a no-risk trade. I bought the 685 calls at 518. I was going to scale a little higher, but I'm going to scale out at 570. So that's a half a point higher, which is fine. And now we get to see at no risk, can we really maintain this, slow crawl up to the highs of the day. After yesterday's big green bar, we did take out the high of that bar into this gap. We're still above the midpoint of the prior day, so there's no failure here yet, and it just might be a slow grind to get there, and maybe even, build up a little momentum higher as the day goes on. But at least it's at no risk right now. If we kind of hold the midpoint of that bar and come back down here, I'll do no worse than break even or a small gain. So let's just, see what happens with this. On the weekly chart, what we're trying to do here is kind of have our two down, took out these lows here, and you can see now we're above the open of the week, and with a day or two to go, it looks like it wants to close, likely close green, which would mean, you'd expect higher into next week. So this still seems to be just a resumption of the big picture trend at all-time highs. We had a potential monthly failure up here early that wanted to come down, but essentially it held the midpoint of that prior month and now is holding green on the weekly chart. So we're still strong to the upside now. The breakdown could have happened below this blue line to this blue line, but clearly after yesterday it didn't develop. So it looks like we're trying to just take out, some short-term lows here, and if this green bar holds, then you kind of expect those highs to be taken out. And again, for now, it's a grind up to, that high of the day on a red to green move, but it's all at no risk. And we'll just see if, maybe the momentum picks up a little bit more as the day goes on, and if not, just no, like I said, no worse than break even. And for me, it'll be a small gain of some type. I won't let it get there, but I want to see still if it can work up to the high of the day.